Namaste everyone. I welcome you to my channel Pratibha with Biotechnology. Before I begin today's microbiology MCQ, I would like to start with today's quote. Focus on higher, lower will drop itself. To create change, radiate pure positive thoughts to people. With this quote, I would like to start today's microbiology MCQ. The event that triggered the development and establishment of microbiology as a science is development of microscope, germ theory of disease, spontaneous generation, use of disinfectant. I have not given answer here. At the end of the slide, I have given answer. You just check which is the answer. Okay. Which of the following pioneers of microbiology is credited with the discovery of microorganisms using high quality magnifying lenses? We need to think about early microscopes. Anton van Leeuwenhoek, Louis Pasteur, Robert Hooke, Robert Koch. Keep your answers ready so that at the end you can check. Okay. Which scientist first disproved spontaneous generation by showing that maggots only appear on decaying meat that has been exposed to flies? Francisco Reddy, Joseph Lister, Louis Pasteur, Robert Hooke. The purpose of swan-necked flask that Louis Pasteur designed to disprove spontaneous generation is to allow the multiplication of microbes in the broth, implicate the role of flies in the development of maggots on protein meat, pasteurize the meat broth, trap the microorganisms and prevent them from reaching the broth. Keep your answers ready. Okay. The next question. Which of the following bacteria was not discovered by Robert Koch? Bacillus anthracis, Salmonella typhi, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Vibrio cholerae. All of the following scientists got Nobel Prize for their contribution in the field of microbiology, except Anton van Leeuwenhoek, Elie Metchnikoff, Paul Ehrlich, Robert Koch. Which of the following scientists is called as father of antiseptic surgery? Alexander Fleming, Joseph Lister, Lazzaro Spallanzani, Theodore Schwann. Which of the following scientists tried to disprove spontaneous generation theory by using simple goosenecked flask? Swan-necked experiment to disprove theory of spontaneous generation. Franz Kuhl, H. Scholder and T. Bandish, Louis Pasteur, Theodore Schwann. Phycology is the study of bacteria, protozoa, algae, fungi. The cell wall of algae is made up of peptidoglycan, chitin, lignin, pectin. Mycology is the study of bacteria, fungi, virus, protozoa. Which of the following is not a prokaryotic? Bacterium, Paramecium, Cyanobacteria, Rickettsia. As I told earlier, keep your answers ready. At the end of the slide, you'll be able to compare your answer and whatever given the answer in this table. Bacteria are prokaryotic unicellular, eukaryotic unicellular, prokaryotic multicellular, eukaryotic multicellular. Use of phenolic solution as disinfectant during surgery was given by Joseph Lister, John Needham, Robert Koch, Anton van Leeuwenhoek. The discoverer of penicillin was Alexander Fleming, Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, none of the eight. Fructose 6-phosphate is changed to fructose 1,6-diphosphate by phosphoglycerate, phosphatase, phosphofructokinase, enolase. Glycolysis is a part of anaerobic respiration. aerobic respiration, Krebs cycle, both aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Glycolysis occurs in cytoplasm, mitochondria, nucleus, Golgi bodies. In animal cell, breakdown of glucose first take place in ETC, glycolysis, Krebs cycle, oxidative phosphorylation. Keep your answers ready. You can check in the end of the at the end of the slide. The end product of glycolysis, starch getting converted to protein, protein getting converted to glucose, glucose getting converted to pyruvate, glycogen getting converted to glucose. Hope you enjoyed today's MCQ questions and answers. Just compare your result with this tabular column and try to explore yourself. Thank you for being with me. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. I, Dr. Pratibha KS, signing off for today. Hope this video is very useful for you. Stay blessed, stay tuned with me, and keep learning. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for your support. Thank you.